What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. The news that is coming in is that Mbuyiseni Ndlozi has rejected to be nominated for the position of the Deputy President at the upcoming National People's Assembly for the EFF in December. But however, they are saying that Mbuyiseni Ndlozi has rejected this nomination because there are rumors that are circulating that he might go to MK party, because it's being said that there are so many MK members that are trying to recruit Mbuyiseni Ndlozi to go to MK party. And if you follow most of the social media posts, you will see that so many people are encouraging Mbuyiseni Ndlozi to leave the EFF and go to MK party. Even a DAMP Pumzile is actually encouraging Mbuyiseni Ndlozi to go to MK party and leave the EFF. This is the chaos that Malema is faced with, a mass exodus of high-profile members that are leaving the EFF and going to Jacob Zuma's party. If Mbuyiseni Ndlozi leaves, is like the predictions that some people are giving out there, Malema will most likely be left alone at the EFF. So tell me what you think in the comment section, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.